Hi guys, it's Josh from ITS. Our sale is now on and you've got until the 16th of March to get yourself online, in-store or even on the phone to take advantage of our amazing range of fantastic deals and offers. But have a look down here what we've got out today. This is the Makita MT range of power tools. These tools are aimed squarely at the keen DIYer or even a professional trader who just needs that tool to get the one odd job done. The Makita MT range is an evolution of the older Mac textile that some of you may remember, and the tools are fully featured. It has a huge range, as you've seen: the SDS drill, the circular saw, the multi-tool, the jigsaw, the grinder, the sander, and they even have a paddle mixer. It is fully exhaustive, their range. Makita do back the MT series of power tools with their 3-year guarantee once registered. You can have full peace of mind when you place your order. But come in here and have a look at this. This is the jigsaw, for example. It has all the features you need to get the job done. We have a trigger lock, pendulum action, and a nice solid base. They really have not skimped where it counts. Come in here and have a look at this. We have the multi-tool with a full range of accessories. You're ready to go as soon as the parcel hits your door. You really can't ask much more from Makita. They've done a bang-up job with this range. But from ITS, even better, in our sale until the 16th of March, we have slashed these prices in half. 50% off, straight down the middle. The jigsaw, $29.99 ex VAT. The grinder, $29.99 ex VAT. The sander, you guessed it, $29.99 ex VAT. Come over here. Circular saw, $49.99 ex VAT. SDS drill, $49.99 ex VAT. Come in the middle here, we've got the multi-tool with a full range of accessories and the hard case for just $69.99 ex VAT. So guys, these tools are not going to hang around. They're going to absolutely fly. These are perfect for your workshop, perfect for the van, perfect for almost any situation. So get online, get in store, get on the phone and get these in your basket.